Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. Yep, if you didn't see the last video of this vintage camper rebuild, renovation, mess, whatever that we brought home the other day, oh my gosh, crazy. What are we doing today? Well, time to start ripping it apart. Time to start demo and see what we really got ourselves into with this mold and this water damage. Absolutely crazy. Alrighty guys, mold.
Stinky, yucky, disgusting mold.
Mold everywhere. This is
Gone.
Was this worth it, guys? Is this gonna be worth it?
Well, it's too late now. We're in it. That's it.
Got coveralls on because hey, I look good. No, I don't look good. I gotta put a respirator on, some glasses on, some gloves on, and we're gonna start ripping this thing apart.
Wish us luck. Wish us luck.
Let's find out what we really got ourselves into.
Yay, yay, yay.
Oh my god. Well guys, stinks in here. Real quick, I expected way more water damage in that front corner. I knew there was water damage in that corner over there. So up here is fairly dry. Not too bad. That part I expected water damage, but I expected way more water damage in that corner. We do obviously have some leaking going on in the ceiling. It looks like it comes from the ceiling vent, and all this right here is rotten. I can stick my finger right in there.
Positive thoughts that the floor is not as bad.
But we high-fived because it's not as bad as we thought.
So far. Don't jinx us. So far.
In the front. Oh, a crap more to go.
Positive thoughts, people. Positive thoughts.
Holy smokes, guys. Sorry, the lighting is really crappy right now. This was where the fridge was. I got in the zone and I forgot to turn the camera on. I wish I had it on. Because how's that saying go? Never open up an old fridge. I had the respirator on. Marcy walked in here.
Oh my god, did you open up that fridge again? Ugh.
I opened up the fridge. Oh, I thought she was going to lose her lunch right here, right in the middle of the camper. She had to run out. It was hilarious. Sorry guys, I had to tell you that. Now I have to take out the heater, the whole 9 yards. But the moisture, oh my goodness, the moisture behind the fridge is incredible.
mask man, what do you got to say?
This is why we're redoing it. Not only that, we're going to make it better than new. But this is one of the ceiling panels. Over the years of neglect, water caused mold, slimy, icky, smelly.
Disgusting. Kind of like the refrigerator.
Yeah.
But not as smelly.
Crazy.
It's smelly, but it ain't that bad. We're getting there, guys. We got a partial truck. A couple boards we're keeping. And it's getting there. We're getting there.
Babe, what are you doing?
We have the insulation out.
What insulation, babe?
All the crappy, shitty, red, soaking wet, disgusting insulation. So I can.
Does it smell better in there?
I don't know. I still have my mask on. Better than it did when you opened the damn fridge. That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Oh, hey. Almost there.
Hey guys, as you can see, we have accomplished, oh my god, a lot today. We've managed to get the whole front done, a lot of the roof done,
The refrigerator.
which was disgusting. Managed to get the old furnace out.
Who leaves eggs in their refrigerator? I mean, really.
So we do know of some of the water damage that is definitely up front. Let's take a quick little walk over here. So we've got this water damage here. So that seems to be so far the water damage that we've seen, so I'm pleasantly surprised. But if you look above my head, boom.
Not your happy place.
That is the damage from a leaky skylight, guys. You gotta make sure you service these. It's just peeling off. But it definitely doesn't smell as bad as it did. Still doesn't smell beautiful. So tomorrow's
plan is
we have the bathroom,
the whole back part.
the back, which I know has a lot of water damage in the back.
And these wires.
As you can see above the door back there, I don't know how well you can see that. That's got a lot of water damage. So we are really going to get to the nitty gritty. And I'm really...
Wait, gonna get to the nitty gritty? Are we not in the nitty gritty
We're
now?
in the nitty gritty now.
We're in the bushes.
We're in it.
Yeah.
But I'm really... The back's going to be bad.
It's gonna be really bad.
The back is going to be bad.
Just this time, if you're gonna like lift the toilet, warn me before I'm in the vicinity. That was disgusting. I almost lost my lunch.
That was awesome, guys. Yeah, still going to deal with the shower, got to deal with toilet, got to deal with the back closet, we got to deal with the sunken floor back there. We are going to see what this really looks like. If you guys are interested, you're going to want to see that. Hopefully very, very soon.
We can breathe without a mask in here. That'd be great.
Yeah. You guys like videos like this? Please smash that thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy always says, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell to be notified as soon as we start on this back and any other videos, guys. Leave a comment. What do you think? Are we in over our heads?
Nah.
Nah. See you in the next upload, guys.